Hi everyone, this is Jason from MUXWAVE. Welcome to our booth in InfoComm. So the first one I would like to introduce is our F-series transparent screen. So this one is for hanging installation, and it is very good used for the trade show, events, and like a stadium lobby, somewhere like this. Okay, this is a modular design. So on the top of the module there is a fast lock that can realize the very quick connection. And so you can see this screen is high definition with high transparency. Transparency can reach to more than 80%. So when I stand opposite of the screen, you also can see me clearly, right? So you can see, so there's a horizontal bar and vertical bar. So the power box is on the bottom and top side. Yeah. So we use the small one, we call it connects to contact the two modules. So we focus on every detail to make sure our product has a high quality. Okay, so this is F-series. So this is our M-series. M means mounted on glass. It's mainly used for the window project. So this one is our 2.5mm pixel pitch. This is the smallest pixel pitch we can do right now. And so we attach the modules on the glass directly without any structure. So this is why you can see the whole glass has been covered by the transparent modules. So the whole effect looks very transparent with super high definition. It's mainly used for the windows, like the shop window from stores, branded stores, yeah, something like that. Will be very good for using this kind of product. And this one is our new one. So it's our P-series LED poster. So this is our standard size region, 1 meter by 2 meter size design. So with the bottom there's a wire that can be removed. And this is a finished product. The module has been attached on the glass already. So you can use the more pieces to expand a bigger one screen. This one is our Ampro series. So the pixel pitch for this one is 6.2mm. So this one is a single-sided power supply. The height is 6.8 meters, and the width is only 0.25 meter. So we use the 10 pieces modules circulate one by one on wide. So that's become a whole screen. So the whole screen is, you can see, it looks very high transparency, and so it's great when you stand on the front of the side. You can see the screen image. It looks as a waterfall. So the whole visual effect looks amazing, right? When you hang it on your lobby or the hotel or somewhere like this, I promise this will be very attractive and impressive. And this one is our new one. So it's the R4 indoor ventral panel. So we used the 1 meter by 1 meter panel design, panel size design, and the power board, power supply, receiving card, harbor card has been hidden in the frame on the top and the bottom. And you can see, so the whole transparent looks very high, and the visual effects looks really good. If you guys want to know more details, www.muxwave.com. Thank you so much.